Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and good, solid, and consistent volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. First level of support to keep an eye on would be this previous breakout point, which sits right here at 505. So 505, I'm not going to call it that the must-hold level or anything like that. I'd call it the ideal level. I mean, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay above 505. But if the price were to drop below it, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from more so the bigger picture point of view, and that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 505, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the party finally stopped today on several different instances right up there around $5.25. So $5.25 will be public enemy number one going forward. Overall, though, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what is that exactly? Well, right here, just building those higher bases. So as long as these bases keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.